Hello, in this video we are going to see an example of element to be clickable test method which waits until the element is clickable. So we are opening page and then passing a A/B test link locator to element to be clickable method. So test will wait until the A/B test link is clickable. So and this test is actually not needed because in nRoBo finds elements dynamically, and here we can see, and it is waiting for till the element wait time that is configured into nRoBo config YML file. So it will wait for at least 3 seconds till the wait element is visible and clickable. But still, since that method is available in test class, so we are trying to have an example of it. So let's run the test. Test started running, and browser instance on opening the site and clicking on every test link. That's it.